Did you guys like it? Was it too much? One more? I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Surprise, I'm surprised. Do you guys feel the heat? I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Nag-e-evolve ba? Nag-e-evolve? I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Ganda ba eh? Sabay na lang kayo. Sabay. The way that you touch me, I want you. Diba kanina, kausap-usap ako ng mga bata doon. Wala. Where's the forever boyfriend? May entrance daw. Where's the forever boyfriend? May entrance. My knee hurts. Forever boyfriend? Kasi nakakas ka? Jen, sakit na tuhod ko. Bakit ba kayo nun? Masakit. Bakit ba kayo nun? First singing dancing sa'yo. Ikaw rin sa sarili mo. Ano bang silbi na grupo tayo? Kung ako lang rin pala gagawa lahat. Hindi. Sige lang game na, kantahan niya na. 5, 6, 7. Happy birthday I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. I want you all around me. Dalawang ikot? Ano? Ay, dyan. Dalawang ikot. Justin! Gumana solo! Justin! In my solo, I was talking to the kids. So we should keep it up there. Next time, you will see me in high five. You know, but I just want to say this, everyone's enjoying already. Yes. I just want to say thank you so much for... Huh? Pasuloy natin kanina, sumayon natin sa likod niya, hindi na ito. I was dancing. Justin, nakain mo na. Okay. I'm gonna keep 5, 6, 7. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Okay. Mamaya, kayahin nyo yung mga bata. Diya! Pinawisan lang? So, ang pinakalaga, they love their parents. Yes. And they will, that step I did is for games. Right. Tama. So, alam mo yung ano, pinagagawa lang, tapos paglingon ko may bata sa harap. Sabi ko talaga, hello! Pasensya na! Close your eyes. Napagganyan ako. Anyways, thank you so much, 18. Sana na-enjoy niyo po yun. How's the experience so far? Do you like it? At 400 meters, 10 rounds. Thank you so much. Actually, we really enjoy performing in front of you guys. Kahit na, we know na some of you guys follow us from other countries and other states pa. Thank you so much for the effort. Sana po hindi po kayo nagsasawa sa mga pagmumukha namin. Hanggat kaya po namin higitan yung last performance namin, ginagawa namin dahil po para rin sa effort nyo na supportahan kami.